No, can you talk about it so there's a secret?
No, Invisible River was part of Theatre Science, which is an ongoing project sort of involved with Theatre Royal Plymouth and brings together science and theatre on stage. And I really enjoyed writing that play. So I'm hoping that there's going to be another round of another project of Theatre Science with the NCBS in January. So, and it will be to develop a new script completely with the scientists. So that's what's going to be next.
Some prompting from the father, but he's refusing to take the prompt, okay? So we look forward to your new play, Gautam. Okay, he wants to say something.
There's also, I'm sorry, I'll blame it on jet lag. I got in yesterday. There's also a play, a commission with my old school, Malaya Aditi International School, and Mrs. Warrior. And so I'm working on a script for, it's 25? It's for 25 years, Aditi was, it's 84 or 85, was it? Next year will be 25, so I'm working on that.
Of course, school loyalties die hard, so it's wonderful to have your own student writing the play. I must say, not every school has that chance. So once again, thank you very much for having come. And here are the books, The Invisible River and Damini the Damager. I'm sure you'll never regret it because you'll enjoy reading all of it. You only heard bits of it.